Today we will go through the ESS Talent Management e-performance for individual user. In this training video, we will show you a step-by-step guide on how to view your performance plan, view your performance review, view your performance final evaluation, and your performance history. Now, let us move on how to view your performance plan. To view your performance plan, log in into the ESS with your user ID and password. Once you have typed in your user ID and password, click Sign In. Once you have logged in, head to the Talent Management and click on the Performance module. Under the Individual panel, click on Performance Plan. If a goal plan has been generated, the user will be able to view the goal plan page or the performance plan. Here, you will see three panels, which is the plan details, staff comments, and attachment. Under here, you can click New to create a new performance plan. Let's head back to plan details. Under plan details, you can view your detailed information here. You can also see the approver or supervisor comments if any, and attachment if there is any attachment to upload. Down here, there will be a goals and competencies panel. Here you can put in the new goal, simply click new, or if you wish to edit your goal, click edit. Or if you wish to delete your goal, click delete. Let's head to staff comments. So staff comments is a free text box where you can leave a remark, and under attachment, the same thing, you can attach your attachment here. Click on competencies to view the performance plan created by your HR, and you may send for approval to send your goal plan for approval. You can also click Save as Draft to save as draft if you wish to resume your goal planning later, or simply click Cancel to cancel the transaction. Now let's move on how to view your performance review or final evaluation. From here, you can simply click Desktop to head back to the performance module. And again, under the individual panel, there will be a performance review and final evaluation. Click on Performance Review icon. Under Performance Review, you should be able to view the goals, group KPIs, and competencies if it has already been set up by your HR. As you can see, here there is no performance record available for review. Now let's proceed on the final evaluation. Head to the individual panel again and click on the final evaluation icon. Once you have clicked on the final evaluation icon, you will enter the final evaluation page. At the top section on your left hand side, you will be able to view your details, staff's comment, attachment, and score summary. Under plan details, you can view again your ID, your name, position, grade, the assessment from and assessment to, which is the date joined, the status, your years of service, your company, which department, what validation is it from, and what validation is it to, your salary scale, appraisal type, grade date, and your reference number of this performance evaluation. Here you can also upload an attachment under this Choose File button. Under the section below here, it also shows the goals, competencies, and development plan. So under goals here, you may see the ratings of your self-review. So here are the ratings, which is far below expectation, 2 for below expectations, 3 which is meets expectations, 4 exceeds expectations, and 5 which is significantly exceeds expectation. You may collapse the details of this goals page. Simply click Collapse Details to minimize the whole thing. Or if you wish to expand it back, click on Expand Details. Let's head to Competencies. Under Competency, you will see a group, competency, and review number. So group, let's say this is the company car, and the competency is maintaining car comfort and cleanliness and uphold it to a high standard. You may see there will be a review number, reviewer, which is yourself, the rating, total percentage, the update date, and remarks, if any. The review period is final, which is at the stage of final evaluation, the update date, which is today, and the rating, if it's optional. Here we have a non-compliant and compliant, for example. Furthermore, there will be another second competency, which is a maintenance of car according to the group. The next group will be under documentation, and the competency will be all documentations related are properly arranged in server, for example. Next is office, and the competency will be office supplies kept in mint and best condition, and what you have reviewed for yourself, whether you're compliant, not compliant, or very compliant. After filling up each review under each competency of each group, you may head to the bottom of the page and click Send for approval. Or if you wish to save it for later, you can simply click Save as Draft button. Or if you wish to cancel it, you may click on the Cancel button. Now let's move on with the performance history for individual. To view your performance history, just simply click Desktop and it will redirect you to the performance page. And under the individual panel, click on the performance history icon. Here, you may view your performance history based on these results. It will pump out a listing of past performance. Remember, anything related to history will show the submission status or past records. You can also either enter the reference number or click on the drop-down list for the performance period that has been done. You also may click on the reference number, which is the blue link here, and view a more detail of the final evaluation that has been done. This will basically show the final evaluation of past records. So that is all for the performance plan for individual. In this training video, we have covered on how to view your performance plan, your performance review, your final evaluation, and how to view your performance history. That is it, and thank you.